Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack. Quack, 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 quack. Today we will draw a rubber ducky using Autodesk SketchBook. Start with a circle at the top for the head. We're going to turn the circle into a smooth question mark style, which wrap around. And then for the neck, a little question mark. Now it's time for the back. You need a smooth back and a little tail at the end. Come around, draw the front like a boat. You've got to be able to float. And the front of the boat, come around, back up. Oh, nice. Now it's time for the bill. We're going to start right between the eyes and go down. Come up at the front, go back down again into a smile. Nice. Bring the bill back down and around. Up to the front, open his mouth wide, and come back. Draw his mouth inside. Now we work on the eyes. Eye number 1. Just right at the edge there. And eye number 2. Nice circle eyes. Let's fill them in with black. We'll make a large pupil or a happy ducky. 1 and 2. There we go. And what's missing now? Take your eraser and put some dots in his eyes to reflect the sunlight that's coming at him. 1, 2, 1, 2. Maybe make the bottom one a little bigger. Okay. Let's fill in that last line in the front, under his beak. And we can paint. For painting, I'll choose a color, maybe bright yellow. Oh, a little bit more light, that's what we need. There, that looks good. Then some orange and red. And now let's look at our ducky. What if you want to move your ducky? You're going to need a layer. So we'll make a new layer. And the new layer is where we paint our background. Paint our background on the new layer. Just do fill and choose, I'll choose blue. And here we go. Boom. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. Color. Move the ducky to the top. Now, you can select the ducky in layer 1, and you can move your ducky. Quack, 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 quack.